Hi, folks. Welcome to my channel. Well, let me continue. This is the part two of my Indian reality TV shows like Big Boss and Split Villa and Roadies. This was highly recommended to me by my subscriber Epicurus. In fact, earlier also this person has suggested me, but I did not pay heed to it because it's quite tedious and a long winding long tedious. It's a very tedious subject matter, and you cannot finish it in one setting. So what I will do is that I will make a series out of it, part 1, part 2, and multiple series, so that it's easier to explain and I cover up as many topics I can pertaining to these reality shows. It just happened that I posted it yesterday, that video. It just came into my head and I said, let me make shorter videos, smaller videos, and talk about it. Okay. We have to understand that India is highly populated. Okay. Second largest population in the world, so the amount of the consumer base is humongous. Okay, so you can imagine the eyeballs you'll be grabbing by even if handful of people are watching, so they are in millions, right? And when you're targeting small town people, means you're doing inclusive. Earlier they used to only show about metro cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore or Madras, something just mainstream, like Calcutta. So these are main cities. But what happened with the influx of cable TV and satellite TV? They started showing life of the smaller towns in their serials. Earlier, it used to happen that they used to only focus on city life, and you had to see art movies in the movies. So when they felt inclusive, because they are 90% of their audience, small town, rural, agricultural kind of people, these village kinds, so they make up 90%. 10% is the cities. So massive audiences and consumer base. So even if a sponsor is targeting a specific demographic, जैसे बोलते हैं the youth, so they are targeting their products or their merchandise to this particular youth. Okay, not just the city one but the small town or the village kind of a youth, because now there's a cable TV, because of the dish availability is there everywhere. You just need electricity, and I think electricity is just there for everybody, especially to watch TV. Then people have their gen set and all that, they can't live without it. So TV has become an integral part of our life. It is like a family member whom we can't make do with. It's a member who keeps talking to us and suggesting us. So subliminal messages. So we have to think in terms of profit. How are they profiting? And the youth from the age group of 13 to 24 are highly vulnerable. Okay, they are more dependent on their parents. And आजकल क्या होता है, to keep up with the trends, the parents are funding this lifestyle. And the other age group hota hai, when they start working from the age group of 25 to 34, they are willing to spend that much money because they have that much of disposable income, because they are working. From the age group of 13 to 34 is their target, generally because they are single or they are trying to impress their boyfriend or girlfriend or wife or husband. When they are young, that's the time people are spending the most. Now what kind of products are advertised over there? So you have to understand, क्योंकि small town है and जो cities में लोग use करते हैं, they want to make this available to the small town and the village people also. So how logistically can you imagine? Manufacturing एक जगह होती है, but it is distributed everywhere. सो डीओ होता है या सोप्स होते हैं या बॉडी वॉश होता है. सोप से ज़्यादा बॉडी वॉश होता है, बिकॉज पीपल प्रेफर, यंग गर्ल्स एंड गाइज प्रेफर बॉडी वॉश, लिक्विड बॉडी वॉश, विच विल बी कॉस्टिंग एटलीस्ट 100 रुपीज़. सो लुक एट द कॉस्ट फैक्टर. अभी एक डीओ बोलते हैं तो एक सस्ते से सस्ता डीओ भी ऑल्सो विल कॉस्ट यू 150 रुपीज़. हाँ, ओके. So understand, anything above 100, right? Then they are catering Durex condoms. Now अगर Sunny Leone होगी तो क्या man force, she being there itself will bring out sexual feelings in you. So I don't know how many people are using condom. I think is it daily basis, youngsters going in some hotel, so they are making brainwashing them that sex is okay. तुम ऐसा करोगे तो भी it's a safe sex because we have um, um, condoms to use. So they make sex very easily available and it's doable kind of an activity. Of course there are consequences to be faced, but for a marketer, for a larger corporation, they only think about profits, so they glamorize all these things. Then what is the next thing? Alcohol, like जैसे वोडका, जैसे बकाड़ी, and any of the alcohol, जितने भी whiskies है, they will show mineral water. जैसे बॉलीवुड के लोग आएंगे, they will be supporting, promoting this. Beer, Kingfisher, I'm just giving examples, huh? जैसे संजय दत्त आएगा, वो अपनी ग्रीन लेबल विस्की होगा उसका, फिर बैक पाइपर है, फिर दूसरा कौन सा उनका एडवर्टाइजर होगा, मेन थिंग कोको कोला, पेप्सी. These are the two major contenders, right, to have artificial food. Then chips, then noodles. So look, मैंने कोई भी एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं, बट आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जाम. मोटरसाइकिल इज अनदर वन, मतलब हर बार अपग्रेड करते रहो, और वो मोटर बाइक विल बी ऑफ 1.5 lakh 2 lakh of rupees, or they will show some small mid-size cars. So think about it, इतने sponsors उनको मिलते हैं. The sponsors are ready to invest in it is because there is ready-made customer base. Especially small town में लोगों के पास काफ़ी इनकम रहती है, क्योंकि इनके शायद पेरेंट्स गवर्नमेंट जॉब में रहते होंगे, या कोई स्टडी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है, या कोई बिजनेस है. सो देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ या पुश्तैनी खानदान की कोई पैसे होते हैं. सो दिस रेडी अवेलेबल इनकम, एंड दे आर वेरी मच इनटू स्टेटस. नहीं, हमें वर्मा जी से, शर्मा जी से आगे बढ़ना है, देखो मेरा बेटा तो टीवी पे आ गया है. सो ये कंपटीशन के चक्कर में दे आर पुशिंग themselves further and further. Now I have only given the economics. I will cover the topic bit by bit, and it might take many episodes, but I don't mind. I will sit down and explain how they brainwash you. Number one is economics. Without economics, nobody is going to make a stupid सीरियल, क्योंकि वो रिलेटेबल है कि हम जैसे लोग भी वहाँ पे जाके बदतमीजी करके आगे निकल जाते हैं, एंड वी बिकम फेमस. स्मॉल टाउन का कोई चेहरा देखो, कैसे ओंगे पोंगे जैसे, सॉरी टू से, दिखते हैं, दे आर नॉट टू पॉलिश्ड, बट when they start wearing all that makeup and those clothes, then they feel, अरे वाह. Just because they are educated doesn't mean the class comes in, right? So तो लड़कियों को लगता है, हाँ ये देखो ना लड़की कॉलेज स्कूल में कैसी थी, अभी देखो कैसे कैसे बन गई, इतनी स्टाइलिश. यू गॉट इट. तो दे आर मेकिंग पीपल इन्वेस्ट इन देयर सेल्व्स. मतलब ऑल द टाइम कोई मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदो, जैसे मेकअप के काफ़ी सारे, क्रीम के काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे टारगेटिंग यंग गर्ल्स, फेयर एंड लवली एंड फॉरएवर फेयर, ऐसे कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स. फिर फाउंडेशन, नेल पॉलिश, लिपस्टिक, विच इज़ टारगेटिंग टू द यूथ from the age group of 13 to 24, and I said two types of demographic, 24 to 25 to 34. So they have specific demographic in their mind when they are doing all these things. So they are making these girls crazy. hair color लगवाओ, ये करो, shampoo लगवाओ, conditioner लगवाओ, ये, और they'll always flash out Bollywood stars जैसे they have the perfect body or the perfect face. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. वो विद्या बालन को देखो, मोटी पाड़ी कैसे, तो भी भैंसी जैसी दिखती है. बट इट्स ऑल इंक्लूसिव. यू आर इन अ ग्लैमरस इंडस्ट्री, बट ऐसे लोग चल जाते हैं क्योंकि वो एक्टिंग है, टैलेंट है. मैंने बोला नो, शी इज प्रमोटिंग ओबिसिटी इन द सेंस फैटीनेस इज ओके. क्योंकि बदतमीजी, यू सी ऑल दीज फैट फीमेल्स बीइंग द वर्स्ट बदतमीज फीमेल्स. whoever is fat, please don't feel bad, but it is a real personal experience. On every interaction they have been very loud and proud because of their weight and because of their overconfidence. You shouldn't be targeting, you should concentrate on your health, not be so loud and proud for your stupid weight. And boys also, they think that by coming in these TV series वो बहुत famous बन जाते, फिर उनको रोल वगैरह मिल जाते. ऐसा नहीं है. But then they are supposed to sign a non-disclosure contract where they are not supposed to be telling what exactly is going on. And it's clever editing. Okay, क्लेवर एडिटिंग होता है, एक स्क्रिप्ट होती है, क्लेवर एडिटिंग होता है, एंड दे एक फालतू सा एक कुछ तो, एंड पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट. Okay, then I will speak about this in my next topic. What are the consequences of it? Okay, bit by bit, slowly and steadily, I will explain what it is. Thank you so much. Please post your comments and tell me your own experiences if you all know such persons. Thank you so much.